Hello, this is Rick Cortez. I am CEO of Broadmark Asset Management, and this is the December 2023 update on the Westwood Broadmark Tactical Growth Strategy. All three fundamental pillars of our investment process remain negative. However, we are seeing improvement in momentum. So let's take a closer look at momentum. Our momentum models consist of volume and breadth statistics for the entire market. But as we know, only a handful of stocks have led the market higher this year. The chart on your screen shows that the S&P 500 is up 19%, but those 7 stocks that have led the market are up 71%. So the remaining 493 stocks are up only 6% this year. The next chart shows that this is a record concentration. The 7 largest companies in the S&P 500 now account for 29% of the total in the index, and this is a record high. Now, has this happened before? The answer is yes. It happened in 1972. Then it was 50 stocks. It was called the Nifty 50. In the late 1970s, it happened during the oil boom. Oil stocks, energy stocks, oil equipment stocks went up. And then finally, in the late 1990s, it happened again with the dot-com stocks. Now, the aftermath of this concentration led to a decline in the market led by those leading stocks. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen this time or it's imminent. As you know, you've heard me say this before, we don't predict, we adapt to the market. Nonetheless, we are cautious. On the other hand, momentum is improving, and if momentum does improve further, we will raise our market exposure. Now, that said, let me remind you of this. One of the reasons that the market has shown such strength this year is anticipation that the Fed is going to lower interest rates in early 2024. But if we look at history, there have been 9 major tightening cycles over the last 50 years. Following those tightening cycles after the first rate cut, in every instance, the market has declined. It's declined as little as 7% in 1983, but as much as over 50% in 2008 to 2009 during the financial crisis. And therefore, with the 3 fundamental pillars of our process negative, we remain cautious on the market. Let me leave you with one final thought. There's a great veteran tennis player named Jim Courier, and Jim Courier once said, "Separate the result from the process. Focus on the process." And that's what we at Broadmark are doing. We are focusing on the process of navigating the portfolio through one of the most concentrated market environments in stock market history. So this is Rick Cortez. Thank you for joining me. Happy holidays, and please join us for our next update, which will be in January 2024. Thank you.